Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download any Instagram story on your Android phone. Okay, so I have also made a lot of videos related to Instagram. So if you want to check those videos, then you just have to click on that I button. Now without wasting your time, let's start our video. For downloading Instagram story, you just have to open Instagram, and here in the story portion you can see that lot of my friends have updated their story. So one method is you can just screenshot this picture. Okay, so you can just screenshot, but it looks very bad, and if it's about video, then we have no any option for downloading that video. So today I will show you a method how to do that. First of all, just go to your home and go to Play Store. Here search for an app story saver. Here, depending upon ratings, I have downloaded this story app. Okay, here you can see that its rating was also good, 4.6. Yes, I have already installed this app, so I will just open it and agree. Here click on this login with Instagram, enter your username and password. I have directed to a story portion. Now if I click on any story, then you can see that this person's story is here. Okay, so if you want to download any image from story, you just have to click on that image, and here you can see the download option at the end. Okay, so just wait for the picture to load here, and now click on this download option. Okay, just click on allow, and here you can see that our picture has been downloaded. Same goes with the video. If you want to download this video, you just have to tap on it and just wait for the video to play. Now click on this download option. One of the best feature of this app is that you have also got the repost option. So let me show you in my gallery portion whether our story has been downloaded or not. You can see that our story has been downloaded, both the picture and the video. That's it. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.